हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूनिवर्सिटी ज्ञान। मेरा नाम है साकेत सिन्हा। कर्नाटका नीट पीजी 2025 राउंड 1 काउंसलिंग। फ्रेंड्स, कर्नाटका नीट पीजी राउंड 1 काउंसलिंग के रिगार्डिंग KE has come up with a very important notification. In its notification, it has said that the option entry schedule has been published and the option entry will be beginning soon. Friends, in this video we will be analyzing the complete details of the option entry schedule, what they have published, and apart from that, the most important instructions what they have given regarding the option entry. As you can see, friends, the first round seat allotment schedule for non-in-service candidate has been published. In that, KE says the downloading of the verification slip by clause A and clause Y. देखिए, clause A and clause Y students, it was not mandatory for them to physically appear for the document verification. Those students other than clause A and Y, those who have appeared for physical document verification, they have been issued the verification slip. But for clause A and clause Y, they need to download the verification slip. And the link was enabled on 24th. The link was enabled on 24th. Suppose for due to any unavoidable reasons you were not able to download that option entry this thing, then link is still active and it will be active till 17th of November. Link जो है वो 17th of November तक activated रहेगा. Kindly download your verification slip. Without the verification slip, you will not be able to do the option entry. Okay. Now, display of seat matrix. Seat matrix has already been published. We have come up with a detailed detailed analysis of the KEA PG counseling seat matrix. It is available on our channel and you can go through it. Along with that, we have also done a complete detailed video regarding the expected cutoff after the displaying of this seat matrix. Now, the most important part, that is the option entry. Option entry will be beginning from 4 p.m. on 18th of November till 20th of November. 18th नवंबर को 4 बजे से ऑप्शन एंट्री इनेबल कर दी जाएगी फ्रेंड्स, एंड दैट विल कंटिन्यू टिल 20/11/2025 और 4 p.m. 20 नवंबर के 4 बजे तक ऑप्शन एंट्री अवेलेबल रहेगी. After that, this year, after doing the option entry, the KEA will be publishing a mock result. Mock allotment इस बार देंगे. Mock allotment के बाद का क्या process रहता है, we will discuss in detail in this video. Well, mock allotment will be given on 21st after 4 p.m. Mock allotment will be given on 21st of November after 4 p.m. What is the process after the mock allotment? We will be discussing in detail. After that, after the mock allotment, there is a provision to change the options. There is a provision to change the options after the mock allotment. So here, provision to change the options, if any, by the candidate. Now, how can you change the options? You can either add the options or delete or modify or reorder or alter the options. This option modification will be beginning on 21st, that is after the publication of the mock allotment result, and that will go on till 24th. देखिए, 21 से 24 तक mock allotment आएगा. After that you can do the changes in the option entry. अब what changes you can do? The changes you can do is you can add the option. Suppose after seeing the mock allotment results, and you think that somehow you have missed some of the colleges which were allotted below your rank, so you can also add those colleges. Secondly, by mistake, if you have put any of the colleges in which you are not interested, then you can also delete those colleges. You can modify or reorder the options. Kindly keep in mind that option entry in KEA will be allowed only once. That we'll discuss regarding that right now after this schedule. And publication of first round of provisional result will be on 25th, and publication of the final result will be on 26th. Now the thing here is key. See, the main thing what we need to discuss is, okay, see, provision to change the option. This is the most important thing after the publication of the mock allotment. This is the most important thing. You can add the options delete your options or modify the option. Suppose by chance if you have added some wrong options, you would be allowed to delete that. You can also add some other options. Suppose by chance if you have missed any option entry, then they will be giving you the opportunity to add the other options, but that can only be done till 24th नवंबर तक ही आप जो है नए ऑप्शंस ऐड कर सकते हैं आफ्टर द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द मॉक रिजल्ट्स. अब फ्रेंड्स इसके रिगार्डिंग एक और नोट आया है कि ये का, उसको भी हम लोग इन डिटेल में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. This is the another notification what has come from KEA. Now the thing is, this notification has also been published on 15th, that is 15th November. ऑप्शन एंट्री के बारे में इन्होंने कंप्लीट डिटेल बताया. देखिए जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया, दी ऑप्शन एंड एंट्री ऑफ ऑप्शंस विल बी एनेबल फ्रॉम 4 PM ऑफ 18 से लेके 4 PM ऑफ 20/11 तक. सीट मैट्रिक्स एंड फी स्ट्रक्चर इशूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका हैज बीन ऑलरेडी होस्टेड ऑन द KEA वेबसाइट. फी स्ट्रक्चर अभी तक नहीं आया है. द फी स्ट्रक्चर विल बी पब्लिश्ड आइदर टुडे और टुमारो. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो है फी स्ट्रक्चर विल बी पब्लिश्ड आइदर टुडे और टुमारो. फी स्ट्रक्चर इज अबाउट टू कम. लेट मी मेक वन थिंग क्लियर कि देयर इज इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ फीस दिस ईयर. जो मैनेजमेंट और NRI कैटेगरी की सीट्स हैं उसमें फीस इंक्रीमेंट की बहुत ही हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है. तो only after the publication of the seat matrix, go through the fee structure, go through the fee structure very, very carefully in detail, and after that only you do the selection of your colleges. To help you do the selection of your colleges, we have already put up the detailed video regarding the cutoff, previous year's round 1 cutoff, so that will be very, very helpful to you. Okay, candidates are advised to verify the fee structure. As I told you, are advised to verify the fee structure, seat type, college location, and all those things. Online portal will be enabled for the candidates can exercise their priority of options from 4 PM on 18 तारीख से लेके 20 तारीख के 4 PM तक for first round of seat allotment. Well, the priority of the option entered by the candidate will remain the same in the online seat allotment. Candidate will not be allowed to enter options again. This is the most important thing what I wanted to discuss with you. देखिए ये एक बहुत ही important चीज है friends. We will discuss about this thing in detail actually. Well, देखिए what KEA says is candidates will not be allowed to enter options again for second round of the seat allotment. देखिए KEA में kindly keep one thing in mind. There is only one time option entry. Round one में जो options आप डाल रहे हैं, that options will remain in round 2. In round two, there is no fresh registration, or no option entry. ये दो चीज को आप माइंड में रखिए. ना ही कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है, ना ही कोई फ्रेश रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है KEA में, और ना ही कोई ऑप्शन एंट्री होता है. राउंड 2 में. दैट मीन्स कि द ऑप्शंस व्हाट यू आर एंटरिंग इन द राउंड 1 दैट विल बी कंटिन्यूड इन राउंड 2. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन जस्ट रीऑर्डर द ऑप्शंस. अगर मान लीजिए कि 1 2 3 4 5 जो भी ऑप्शंस आपने डाले हैं उसको केवल आप रीऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. 5 को 2 पे ले जाइए, 1 को 3 पे ले जाइए, 1 को 4 पे ले जाइए, 4 को 1 पे ले जाइए. You will only be allowed to do the reordering of the options. Fresh option entry is not allowed in KEA in round 2. Whatever options you are putting in round 1, that will remain same in round 2. So kindly exercise extreme caution. While doing the option entry in round 1, because there will be no fresh option. Candidates will not be allowed to enter options again for the second round of seat allotment. तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. You will only be able to reorder the options. आप जो भी ऑप्शंस आपने डाला है उसको ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं, रीऑर्डरिंग कर सकते हैं, डिलीट कर सकते हैं, but you will not be able to add any sort of fresh options in round 2. Kindly keep that thing in mind. Academic eligibility and admission to college process and all these things. Okay. KEA will reserve the right to withdraw this thing. तो ये सारे डिटेल्स जो हैं ये सारे डिटेल्स आप ध्यान में रखिएगा फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन डूइंग द ऑप्शन एंट्री, यू कैन कॉल ऑन द नंबर विच इज विल डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड वी विल हेल्प यू रिगार्डिंग दैट. तो ये था फ्रेंड्स हमारा वीडियो रिगार्डिंग KEA ऑप्शन एंट्री शेड्यूल एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉर द ऑप्शन एंट्री. अगर हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल यूनिवर्सिटी ज्ञान के साथ बने रहिए फॉर ऑल द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स रिगार्डिंग नीट PG 2025 काउंसलिंग. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.